Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, testing. 4 seconds and rolling. This is the final video with an inspection shot of the leak on the north side of the house. That's going to be leak number 2. Turn the water on, Smokey. Let's test it. Okay. Go all the way down the ridge, the valley. Raise it up about 6 inches. Raise it. Go north about right there. Now go on down again. Go down again. Let's make sure. Bring it back to me a little bit. Come on back. All right, go on down with it. All the way down to the bottom. This roof has been fixed. Hold up now, Smoker. That's far enough. You're gonna have to. Okay, you got more. Go ahead. Now that's good enough, Smoker. Just go on down in the valley. Go all the way down in the valley. Go all the way down in the valley. We're gonna check it to make sure that water doesn't come in on that side. Go all the way down to the gutter. Shed it all the way down to the gutter. Raise it up a little bit and go on down. All right, that's good enough. That's good enough. That's enough. That's enough testing right there. Stop it. Okay, good. Now we're gonna pause video. Well, we can't pause it. Just go down, Smokey, and we're gonna do now a test of leak number 1. We're gonna put the camera, put leak site number 1 in the middle of the camera, and test it there. That's it right there. That's leak panel number 1 right there. Smokey? Yeah. Come and stand over here. The water's gonna go in the gutter, and we're gonna have to exit the roof and get down the ladder without getting wet. So be careful. Now, you know which panel it is. It's this panel right here.
Ready?
Yeah. Start at the top. Go, shoot it all the way up to the ridge. That's it. That's it. That's it. Okay. Gradually come down. Now I can go up in the attic and check to make sure. Do it again, Smokey. I want to test this thing good, thorough. Let enough go up there to do some good. Gradually come down to the bottom. Stop. End of video. End of test.